Ever wonder why some brands with huge budgets still flop while others blow up without spending a dime on ads? Let me tell you a quick story about how Nike almost botched a campaign and what they did instead that changed everything. Back in the late 1980s, Nike was getting destroyed by Reebok. Reebok was crushing it, especially with women. Nike at the time was hyper-focused on performance athletes and totally missed that women were driving a massive share of sneaker sales. Most brands at that point would have panicked, thrown millions at ads, rebranded everything overnight, and tried to out-yell the competition. Nike didn't. Instead, they launched a small, strategic campaign called Nike Women. And here's the twist. It wasn't about shoes. It was about empowerment, strength, confidence, boldness. They didn't lead with products. They led with message. It was smart. It was targeted. And it worked. That campaign flipped the script and helped Nike dominate a market they had nearly ignored. And that's the thing. Marketing isn't about throwing more money at the problem. It's about understanding what actually connects and using your budget to stretch impact, not just ad spend. You don't need to outspend your competitors. You just need to out-strategize them. And if that idea resonates, if you're tired of burning money without seeing growth, we've helped businesses make their first $10,000 months with budgets under $1,000. So if you're curious what that kind of strategy might look like for your business, there's a link below. You can grab a complimentary 90-day roadmap. No pitch, no pressure, just clarity. Thanks for watching. And if you got value from this, hit subscribe. More real stories, real strategy, and marketing that actually works in the real world. I'll see you in the next one.